Hello everyone and welcome back to the KMT Traders channel. So we're looking at New Zealand dollar to the US dollar. Pretty much we have this huge uptrend. We're going to talk about some trading opportunities here. So my current bias is towards the upside. So the reason for this is, we've broken our intraday downtrend. So we do have this strong momentum kicking in. Now, in terms of how we can play this, we have two zones or two options here. We have the current high that we already have here on the 31st of July. So we could simply just wait for price to return to this zone, wait for price rejection before we, consider looking for longs, if we can get that momentum there. Or the second option, which I think this is more probable, is we could get a price to retrace a bit deeper. We could potentially retest our downtrend here, but that's obviously another option to think about. Wait for possibility of price to find a rejection level within this range here. Don't want to say too much in terms of an exact level just yet because we need to wait for one of the two scenarios to happen. Of course, I'll provide a bit more update analysis in the trading group that you can join. But again, for now, we could be looking at a price range here where we could find a level of support. Pretty much want to see stalling of price, failure to push to the downside, and then we could look for buys. So in terms of my target, I do see this pushing a lot higher, looking after this push to the upside. So, I'm just going to see how price reacts to this week and all the news before we take a bit further in terms of predictions. But pretty much my bias is to the upside. Now, if I was to consider any selling options, it would be if price goes below 0.65. Pretty much I'd be looking for a retest of this level, and we could be looking lower. So this is if price manages to push lower, and we don't. It's just in case. For whatever reasons, really, just to give you an alternative if price does drop for whatever reason. But again, this is more of a plan B, and my plan A is more of a buy bias. So again, I always discuss two options and scenarios, so it gives you a better outlook for the trading week, guys. So that's pretty much all I wanted to cover. I did mention in the video that we do have a trading group that you can join. I'd highly recommend you to join, especially if you're new to this channel or you're a new trader. I try to give you a bit more update with the pairs as I can, as opposed to the videos. So I do hope these videos and these tips help you with your own trading. Also, if you have a question for us, feel free to message us on our Instagram, which is @KMTRADERS. More than happy to help. Just feel free to message us, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So if you made it all the way to the end of the video, guys, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.